Welcome to this lovely home located in Chelsea Greene. This home features an open floor plan and reflects pride of ownership. The kitchen is well designed and flows right into the spacious dining area. The bright living room has large windows that let in plenty of natural light. Relax in the master bedroom that has a great walk-in closet and spacious ensuite. This bathroom is just one of 2 full baths in this home. The walk-in shower is perfect for those with limited mobility. This second bedroom is a good size and has its own bathroom right across the hall. The main bath is perfect for guests and has a full-size tub. There is lots of storage space in this home, including a storage locker in front of the heated underground parking spot. Enjoy the convenience of the ensuite laundry. The front entrance is bright and spacious. Unwind on your patio and enjoy the peace and quiet. The exterior door to this unit is bright and inviting. The lobby area is clean and well maintained. This building has easy access to shopping, bus stops, the LRT and restaurants. Come have a look.